Bullish Rose charge forecast is 4 cents to 23 cents. Oasis organization charge may likewise achieve $02 rapidly. Bearish Rose charge expectation for 2023 is 3 cents. In Desert Garden organization cost expectation 2023, we use realities, charge designs, RSI, RVOL, and various measurements roughly rose to research the predetermination development of the digital money. What is Desert Spring Organization? Desert Garden Organization is the local application badge of the Desert Garden Organization. Rose changed into delivered in November 2020 at the local area. Desert Garden Organization is a privateness-focused shrewd agreements principally put together blockchain worked with respect to Universe SDK. The people group zeros and extra on selling security and secrecy, very much like the Cardano blockchain. Desert Spring Organization furthermore obliges a twin-layer variant, agreement layer, and paratime layer. Both the agreement and the computational activities are isolated inside the layers. Rose tokens capability exchanges inside the local area. It is conveyed in the marking and assignment components of Desert Garden Organization. Desert Spring Organization value expectation 2023. Desert Spring Organization holds the 144th capability on CoinGecko at this moment. Rose charge expectation 2023 is characterized under with an everyday time body. The above graph of Desert Garden Organization spread out the diving channel design, furthermore known as the falling channel. A plummeting channel is molded via two equal trend lines. The higher trend line, which joins the highs, and the lower trend line, which joins the lows, run parallelly downwards. This example is the capability of a negative market. Presently, Desert Garden Organization is inside the scope of 3 cents. Assuming that the example proceeds, the pace of Rose could arrive at the opposition levels of $004864 and 5 cents. On the off chance that the pattern switches, the charge of Rose can likewise tumble to $003332. Desert Garden Organization backing and opposition levels. The outline under shows the aid and opposition scopes of Desert Spring Organization. From the over everyday time body, we can really decipher the resulting as the obstruction and backing degrees for Desert Garden Organization. The graphs show that Desert Spring Organization has completed a bullish design throughout the past month. In the event that this style keeps up with, Rose might run along the edge of the bulls, overwhelming its opposition level at $023745. Likewise, in the event that the purchasers flip contrary to crypto, the charge of Desert Spring Organization may plunge to nearly $003388, a negative sign. Desert Spring Organization value expectation 2023, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Desert Spring Organization is displayed inside the outline beneath. It is a sign of how the cutting-edge trading degree has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. Right now, the RVOL of Rose lies under the end line, demonstrating weak members inside the contemporary pattern. Likewise, the moving normal of Desert Spring Organization is demonstrated inside the graph above. Outstandingly, Desert Spring Organization rate lies under 50 MAMA, so it's miles in a downtrend. As of now, Rose has entered a negative country. Consequently, there might be a chance of an inversion pattern of Rose whenever. In the interim, the general energy list of the Rose is 4424. This approach that Desert Spring Organization is almost in an oversold state. Nonetheless, this implies a main rate inversion of increased may likewise happen in the next few days. In this way, financial backers need to mindfully trade. Desert Garden Organization value forecast 2023, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional list of Desert Spring Organization. It serves to degree the overall power of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the extending charge assortment values. This gadget attempts to degree the energy of cost movement in the viable and negative rules the use of DMI signs with ADX. The above diagram addresses the ADX of Desert Garden Organization. As of now, the ADX of Rose lies in the assortment of 41,485 and subsequently, it recommends a vigorous pattern. The above diagram also addresses the general unpredictability list of Desert Spring Organization. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of Rose lies under 50, demonstrating low unpredictability. As a matter of fact, the RSI of Desert Garden Organization is at 44.24, in this way affirming a potential sell signal. From the above outline, we can decipher that BTC, ETH, and Rose are moving in an equivalent pattern. This recommends that after the pace of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes, the charge of Rose likewise increments or diminishes individually. Desert Garden Organization value forecast 2024 to 2030. Various elements are considered while gauging expenses, for example, volume changes, charge varieties, commercial center cycles, and tantamount coins. How about we are expecting the expense of Desert Spring Organization somewhere in the range of 2024 and 2030? Desert Spring Organization Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the declining rate movement totally dials back in energy and the pattern switches, Desert Spring Organization may no doubt acquire $0. 8 through 2024. Desert Spring Organization Value Expectation 2025. With various upgrades locally, Desert Garden Organization may enter a bullish direction. Assuming the coin gets the notice of principal financial backers, Rose would potentially mobilize to hit $1 through 2025. Desert Spring Organization Value Forecast 2026. In the event that Desert Spring Organization supports chief opposition levels and is as yet perceived as a superior financing decision a couple of the purchasers for the following 3 years, Rose could revitalize to hit $1.70. Desert Garden Organization Value Expectation 2027. On the off chance that Desert Spring Organization supports fundamental obstruction degrees and remains analyzed as a superior subsidizing choice a portion of the purchasers for the accompanying 4 years, Rose could revitalize to hit $1. 9. Desert Spring Organization Value Forecast 2028. In the event that Desert Spring Organization supports significant opposition degrees and stays recognized as a superior speculation choice a portion of the financial backers for the accompanying 5 years, Rose could revitalize to hit $2. Desert Spring Organization Value Expectation 2029. Desert Garden Organization holds up a strong position as a higher financing choice for the resulting 6 years in the midst of the propensities in the unquestionably unsound crypto market. By utilizing huge cost rallies, Rose could hit $2.30 in 2029. Desert Spring Organization Value Expectation 2030. Assuming purchasers run in and hold to region their wagers on Desert Spring Organization, it would observe prevalent spikes. Rose could hit $2.5 through 2030. And, with persistent improvements in the Desert Spring Organization, we will say that 2023 is an extraordinary year for Rose. For this reason, the bullish rate expectation of Desert Spring Organization in 2023 is $0.023745. Then again, the negative charge expectation of Desert Garden Organization expense expectation for 2023 is $0.003332. Moreover, with the enhancements and upgrades to the Desert Garden Organization environmental element, the exhibition of Rose could assist with accomplishing over its ongoing all-time extreme of $0.059737 rapidly. Yet, it had likewise accomplished $0.02 assuming the financial backers considered that Rose is a magnificent subsidizing in 2023. 1. What is Desert Garden Organization? Desert Spring Organization is the product badge of the Desert Spring Organization. Desert Garden Organization is a protection-centered smart agreements put together absolutely stage-worked with respect to Universe SDK. 2. Where are you ready to purchase Desert Spring Organization? Desert Spring Organization has been filed on numerous crypto trades which comprise of Binance, KuCoin, MEXC, Coinbase Trade, LBank, Gate, EO. 3. Will Desert Spring Organization achieve a shiny new ATH rapidly? With the preceded with propensities and improvements inside the Desert Garden Organization stage, Rose has a high chance of achieving its ATH soon. 4. What is the advanced all-time unnecessary of